guys, welcome back to Cup of Teach. This time we're going to discuss real-life models that represent quadratic function. Let us define first quadratic function. Quadratic function is a function that can be written in the form f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. F of x is also equal to y. Therefore, we can also write this as y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. The highest exponent of the variable is 2. Hence, it is called a second-degree function. A graph of quadratic function is a smooth curve called parabola. I'm going to show you the difference between the graph of quadratic function and the linear function. So these are the graph of quadratic function. So as you can see in the graph, it is curve shape, or we call it parabola, while the linear function are straight lines. I have here an examples of real-life models that represent quadratic function. The first one is throwing of ball from one person to another person can form a parabolic path. Curve shape of the rainbow exhibits parabolic shape. The roller coaster also exhibits a parabolic shape. The arches of the bridge are parabolas. Curve shape of banana shows parabolic shape. Curve shape of signal disc also shows parabolic shape. The jumping of the dolphin also shows parabolic shape. The water that rises from the fountain and falls down shows parabolic path. Let's have here sample problems that represent quadratic function and linear function. Number 1, the graph of throwing a stone at the height h for the given time x defined by the function h is equal to negative x squared plus 10x minus 16 is an example of quadratic function because of the squared. Number 2, the price C of a chicken per number of kilograms K at 180 pesos per kilo is an example of linear function. Kasi sinabi lang niya dito, per kilo, that is 180 pesos. So, wala siyang squared. Number 3, the graph of Subano Company's profit, T, gain at the given cost M, represented by the function T, is equal to negative 800 m squared plus 9,500 m minus 552,000 is an example of quadratic function because of the squared. Number 4, a car rental company charges a flat rate of 50 pesos and an additional 5 pesos per kilometer to rent a moving car. So, 50 plus 5 pesos lang per kilometer. So, hindi siya po pwedeng i-represent na may squared. Kaya, that is linear function. And number 5, the area A of a rectangular room with the length 3 meters more than the width is an example of quadratic function. So, paano nangyari yon? Let us represent this problem as A is equal to the quantity of x plus 3 times x. So, yung x plus 3 dito, that is the length of the rectangular room. And yung x dito, that is the width. Kasi hindi naman natin alam ang width, so we're going to represent this as x or any variable. So, kaya meron tayong A is equal to, that is area, is equal to the quantity of x plus 3 quantity times x is also equal to A is equal to x squared plus 3x. Kasi kapag minultiply mo yung x times x, that is x squared. And then, x times 3, that is 3x. So, meron tayong squared. Kaya, example to ng quadratic function.
Thank you for watching. That's it for this video. If you learned something here, don't forget to like and subscribe to Cup of Teach. See you on the next lesson. Bye!